Good morning, children. Students of class 6 to 11. Today is the third day of online spoken English classes, and today's topic is conversation about family members. Right? How do we talk about our family? To our family also, we will be taking up tomorrow. How do we talk with father, mother, grandparents? We will be taking up one by one. But today we are talking about our family members. If somebody asks about your family, how are you going to introduce your family to that person? For that, I have selected two characters. One is Vaibhav, another one is his cousin. Which Vaibhav doesn't know? Vaibhav doesn't know that the boy to whom he is going to talk is his cousin, because his cousin is a distant cousin, that is a faraway cousin. Right, children? Let me start. Vaibhav says, "Hello, what's your name?" See, it is not what is, it is what's. What's your name? Cousin says, "I'm Rohan." It is not I am, it is I'm Rohan. I'm your distant cousin. What's your name? Vaibhav says, I'm Vaibhav. Oh, really? You are my distant cousin? Yes, I'm from your maternal side. Children, maternal is all the relationships from your mother's side. That is your Mausi, your Mausa. Like in Hindi, we have name for all the relations. Whereas in English, uncle, auntie, everybody is same. All are uncle, whether it is mama or chacha. So it's like that, children. So maternal is all the relatives of mother's side, right? And distant, I told you, is a far off, who is not your second or third. First cousin is जो आपके रियल मौसी या रियल चाचा के बच्चे होते हैं, वो आपके फर्स्ट कजन है. मौसी, मामा, चाचा, ताऊ, बुआ जो बिल्कुल सगे हैं, they are your first cousins. Distant cousins are the cousins which are of far away relations. Like मौसी के आगे किसी के, वो भी आपके कजन हुए. So they are called, जैसे आपके फादर के कजन ब्रदर का कजन ब्रदर, उनके जो बच्चे होंगे सारे, they will be your distant cousins. Right? Yes, I am from your maternal side. Our mothers are related to each other. Tell me something about your family and friends. In my immediate family, children, earlier we used to say nuclear family. अभी आजकल क्या बोलते हैं? Immediate family. Immediate family is the family who is just next, who live under one roof, who live at one place, who eat together, who have one kitchen. They are called the immediate family. ठीक है? वो न्यूक्लियर फैमिली वाला कंसेप्ट थोड़ा सा ओल्ड हो गया है. इन माई इमीडिएट फैमिली आई हैव माई फादर. सी आई हैव नहीं है, आई हैव माई फादर, मदर, siblings and a grandmother. See, siblings is brother and sister. And I have some 30 members in my extended family. See, joint family को ही हम extended family कह देते हैं. ठीक है? जॉइंट फैमिली हम कहते हैं जब दादा दादी चाचा तो वो लोग साथ रहते हैं. लेकिन अगर सपोज योर अंकल आंटी आर लिविंग विद यू, बट you have your father has 3-4 brothers siblings, and if one is staying with you, grandparents are staying with you, other siblings are staying out, so joint family wo bhi to hai. So now the concept of extended family has come into being. Extended family is all the members of your distant, immediate, all members. They live in countryside. Countryside is village. They have big farms. My extended family is spread out in Rajasthan. My extended family is spread out in Rajasthan. Means they live in different places at Rajasthan. One of my immediate cousin has come to live with us. मेरा एक सगा भाई या बहन जो भी है वो मेरे साथ हमारे साथ रहने आया है. My father fosters him. Fosters means to take care. It is a noun also, it is a verb also. Foster is to take care also. Fosters, here I have used it as a verb. But suppose I have a sentence, he fosters me. So this is verb. And he is my foster. Means he is the one who takes care of me. Right? Vaibhav, I would like to know about your family too. I have a very small family. My father is a photographer. We are 4 siblings. Siblings means brother, sister सब मिला के होते हैं. I have 2 elder sisters and a younger brother. देखिए 3 का बताया, एक वो खुद है. That's why he is saying 4. You should not, like you should include in siblings. कोई कहते हैं कि मेरा एक भाई है और एक तो खुद हो, तो 2 siblings होगा ना कि 1. We sometimes have siblings rivalry, but most of the time we get along very well. कभी कभी sibling rivalry is competition and fight and arguments between the brother sisters, between the siblings. उसको sibling rivalry कहते हैं, भाई बहनों की लड़ाई. पर कहता है मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वी गेट अलॉन्ग वेरी वेल. हम बहुत अच्छी तरह से हमारा पटता है, हम अच्छे से वी जेल टुगेदर नाइसली. माई यंगर ब्रदर इज अ स्पॉइल्ड चाइल्ड. नाउ स्पॉइल्ड चाइल्ड इज a child who is naughty but is never pointed out, is never given punishment. So that is called as to be spoiled child. Spoiled child means खराब किस वे में, मतलब जो naughty है पर उसको punishment नहीं मिलता, उसको कुछ कहा नहीं जाता, तो उसको हम कहते हैं spoiled child. I have arguments and fight with him. I want to instill values in him. May I know something about your buddies? See, buddies is another word for friends. All my pals are my besties. No one is a fair weather friend. कहता है मेरे सभी जो friends हैं, pals, see, buddies, pals, besties, all these are words for friends. One is bosom also. तो आप friend की जगह ये words use कर सकते हैं. Buddies, pals, besties. No one is a fair weather friend. Who is a fair weather friend? Who is friend in good time. सिर्फ nice time में वो आपका friend है. When everything is good, he is your friend. Otherwise, he is nowhere. Cousin कहता है, you have very beautiful blue eyes. वैभव कहता है, it all runs in the family, you know. मतलब ये सारा परिवार का है. This is genetic. It runs in the family means it is my genetic characters which I have taken from my family. You know, an apple doesn't fall away from the tree. अब ये सारे idioms है, runs in the family और an apple doesn't fall away from the tree, के हम अपने परिवार पर ही जाते हैं. ये idioms हैं. Same मतलब नहीं है, यहाँ पे apple कुछ भी नहीं है. It is only a saying कि apple कभी भी अपने जो पेड़ से एप्पल गिरेगा तो आसपास ही गिरेगा, दूर नहीं गिरेगा. दैट मीन्स वी विल हैव कैरेक्टर्स ऑफ आवर फैमिली मेंबर्स. इट इज आवर जेनेटिक ट्रेट. ट्रेट मीन्स क्वालिटी, आदतें, जेनेटिक जो जीन्स में होती हैं. आवर फैमिली हैज बीन टुगेदर थ्रू ऑल थिक एंड थिन. ये थिक एंड थिन भी फ्रेज है बेटा. इट इज ऑल्सो अ सेइंग. ठीक है, इडियम है. आई एम सॉरी, इट इज एन इडियम. थिक एंड थिन इन गुड टाइम्स एंड बैड टाइम्स, राइट? Thick and thin. What about your bosom? He asked, what about your friend? ठीक है, Vaibhav is asking. Cousin is saying, I had a difficult upbringing, so I trusted every one of my friends. वो कहता है मेरी upbringing, when I was growing up, my childhood was little bit difficult. थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम में बीता है मेरा बचपन, मेरी परवरिश मुश्किल में हुई है. So I trusted every one of my friends. I had few fair weather friends also. कहता है मेरे कुछ ऐसे भी दोस्त थे, those who were not honest. Because क्या होता है बेटा, whenever we feel neglected or we have difficult time or we don't get ample love, lot of love and support and trust, so we try to depend and trust outsiders. तो कहता है मेरे कुछ decisions ऐसे रहे हैं that few of my friends were fair weather friends. My besties and me lost touch and drifted apart. कहता जो मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड था वो मुझसे टच छूट गया and drifted apart. This is deliberately I have brought these words and phrases in it so that I can explain you by example. मेरी बेस्टी जो था, मेरा बेस्ट फ्रेंड जो था, वो मुझसे अब दूर हो गया है. Lost touch means दूर हो गया है. Drifted apart दूर चला गया है. I used to confidant in him a lot. ये देखो बेटा, confidant जो word है, that is a French word. इसका मतलब है मैं उसको सारे secrets कहता था. Confidant वो word होता है, it's used as noun as well as verb. जिसको हम सारे सीक्रेट्स कह सकते हैं, तो वो अपने सीक्रेट बोलता था उसको, बेस्ट फ्रेंड, और वो दूर चला गया है. डोंट बी अपसेट, वी वुड बी बेस्टीज हियर आफ्टर. Vaibhav says, you don't get upset, I will be your best friend hereafter from now onwards. Oh, thank you. Sure. Okay, bye-bye. See you. Bye. So this was your conversation between Vaibhav and his cousin. And then we have some words, phrases, idioms which I will explain you. Now children, I will explain you the words which we have already done. Paternal, all relationship from father's side. Maternal, all relationships from mother's side. In-law, we use after marriage relation, in after marriage. Like a boy marries a girls, that means spouse के जो भी brother है तो हम कहेंगे brother in law, sister है sister in law, mother in law, father in law, uncle in law, auntie in law, like that. In law लग जाता है when the relationships are made after somebody's marriage. वो law से हो गया क्योंकि वो कानूनी तौर पे हो गया. ठीक है. So nuclear family is called immediate family, joint family is called extended family, sibling rivalry is called fight between brother sisters. Foster noun is caretaker, verb is to take care or taking care. Instill values means given knowledge of good and bad. Moral values हो गए. ठीक है. Friend, we can always say bosom, pal, buddy, besties. So pal is also a friend, for a word for, these are all synonym for friend. Fair weather friend, I told you, friends in only good time. They are not friends when you are in trouble. They will be not seen anywhere. Bring up, that is raise, that is verb. Raise है, rise नहीं है, raise. पालना, rise. I was brought up by my uncle. Bring up का मैंने past tense किया है बस, तो ये verb use हुआ है. Upbringing, my upbringing is such that I can't lie. यहाँ पे देखो noun के form में use हुआ है. Runs in the family, ये idiom है. Similar characters, एक जैसी आदतें, तो हम कहते हैं this runs in my family. कोई बहुत अच्छा बोलता है, फादर मदर भी बोलते हैं तो बोलते हैं this runs in my family, है ना. Somebody gets annoyed very quickly, बड़ी जल्दी गुस्सा आता है, वो कहता है this runs in my family, means सभी को गुस्सा आता है. Somebody is very gentle and very calm and quiet, so they say this also runs in my family, right children? Apple doesn't fall far from tree. इसका मतलब आपको पता ही चल रहा है. This means that we have similar genetic characters. It has nothing to do with apple and tree. It is only a saying, which means apple, when apple will fall, definitely it will fall somewhere near the tree only. तो बच्चा कहीं पे भी होगा, कैसा भी होगा, माँ बाप पे उनके कैरेक्टर्स होंगे, उसकी आदतें अपने परिवार पे ही जाएंगी. Trait, quality, characters, आदतें. Spread out, living at nearby places. Countryside, village. Hit off well, go along very well from the first meeting. पहली बार ही मिलो and you gel very nicely with others. आपकी बड़ी अच्छी पटने लगती है, तो हम उसको कहते हैं hit off well. We both hit off well, तो मतलब हम दोनों में बहुत अच्छी पटने लगी पहली मीटिंग से. Like cousin and Vaibhav, they hit off well. Difficult upbringing, problematic childhood, means उसकी जब पालन पोषण हुआ तो वो काफी डिफिकल्ट था, प्रॉब्लम वाला था. Lost touch and we drifted apart. This means friends went away and now they don't even talk to each other. गुस्सा होके नहीं, बस चले गए दूर किसी तरीके से. Then we have confidant. Confidant means whom you can tell your secrets, share your secrets with, जिसको आप अपने सारे राज, हम राज जिसे कहते हैं, दोस्ती में होता है ना हम राज. Thick and thin, that is ups and downs of life, खुशी और गम में. My family has been together in all thick and thin. The husband wife were together in all thick and thin. So this is also a saying. So children, you have to be the characters, talk like this, write your own dialogues, use these words somehow, the phrases, the idioms which you have learned, do it, practice it more and more, and tomorrow and day after we'll be doing conversation with mother, father, grandparents, like that. So keep on practicing, take care, and children, you are really doing well. You are sending your videos, they are really impressive. God bless you. Speak a lot, listen also in English, And now we will be giving you an example, right? So ma'am, what do you want to be? Vaibhav. Shivani ma'am is playing Vaibhav. I'll play the cousin, right? Let us speak and show you.
Hello, what's your name?
I'm Rohan. I'm your distant cousin. What's your name?
I am Vaibhav. Oh, really? You are my distant cousin?
Yes, I'm from your maternal side. Our mothers are related to each other.
Tell me something about your family and friends.
In my immediate family, I have my father, mother, siblings, and grandmother. And I have some 30 members in my extended family. They live in countryside. They have big farms. My extended family is spread out in whole of Rajasthan. One of my immediate cousin has come to live with us. My father fosters him. Baba, I would like to know about your family too.
I have a very small family. My father is a photographer. We are 4 siblings. I have 2 elder sisters and a younger brother. We sometimes have sibling rivalry, but most of the time we get along very well. My younger brother is a spoiled child. I have argument and fight with him. I want to instill values in him.
May I know something about your buddies?
All my pals are my besties. No one is a fair weather friend.
You have very beautiful blue eyes.
It all runs in my family. You have an apple doesn't fall away from the tree. It is our genetic trait. Our family has been together through all thick and thin.
Yes, I will read it again. It all runs in the family. You know, an apple doesn't fall away from the tree. It is our genetic trait. Our family has been together through all thick and thin. What about your bosom? I had a difficult upbringing, so I trusted every one of my friends. I had few fair weather friends also. My bestie and me lost touch and drifted apart. I used to confidant in him a lot.
Don't be upset. We would be besties thereafter.
Oh, thank you. Sure.
Okay, bye bye. See you.
Bye bye. So this was the example, children. You also practice like this.